This is lecture 7 in the X-ray series, which is mammography. You watch the mammography tube target. A tube count start coming, targets the filtration. Let us dive into it. So, mostly, breast tissue is a bit has relatively similar attenuation coefficient. The fibroglandular tissue, the potential composition. So we have our breast here, fibroglandular. So this is a legend. So the main difference and microcalcification, a bit smaller difference between the legend and the background. So soft tissue need high contrast and good CNR, whereas macrocalcification need fine spatial resolution between 25 to 35 kbp. So it will have increase the energy, generally will reduce the contrast in mammogram and in every aspect of radiography or the mammogram. So contrast may increase, but the dose must be controlled. So we have to optimize everything and make balance. Remember, we have said increasing kbp generally reduces subject contrast in mammography, but help us reduce the dose reaching the patient. Mammography tube used for thin breasts, mostly molybdenum target with a molybdenum filter. Which filtration works by selectively absorbing photons at energies just. So this is really important, the kh, the filter, kh of the filter must always be above that of target. Filter K8 must be above target characteristic. So the filter shift spectrum does not simply remove all the lower energy, okay? It will shift it. That's the important. So the K8 filtration mentioned in the previous lectures, we can use methods such as grid replace by absorbing oblique radiation and allow primary beam to pass to reach the detector. This will help to decrease to have better contrast, but still it will increase dose. Instead of that, we can use air gap, but air gap will lead to magnification. So just another we can manage magnification. So in brace, we use mostly the 0.3 millimeter as the standard part of the focal spot. So this is equal size, not magnified. But to have magnification, mostly we can use, if we want to magnify for microcalcification, we can use image, remember the image, the unsharpness, like geometric, as decreasing the focal spot size will help us to minimize about exposure control, like automatic exposure control, got sensor that optimizes kbp, MS, and some machine are using target and filter combination based on the breast thickness to minimize exposure. The main AEC control that main glandular, they estimate the dose to reduce sensitive glandular tissue more relevant than skin dose. About tumor centers. So what is tumor center? So now bring